Of recent, we have seen some climatic shocks, which also put pressure on us on how we are supposed to handle our environment. We cannot take the weather for granted. We cannot take opportunities for granted. And that we must be able to produce and also to store and also to prepare for the future. So storage of produce, be able to keep it beyond one season in order to make sure that you can sustain yourself whatever the conditions are. And part of that resilience to be able to do so, there's an important aspect which people need to rediscover or redevelop. The best pollinators, the best God-given pollinators are bees. So if you have to keep the vegetation to be able to grow, you need the bees. It also helps in the fruit growing and the like, but also make sure that the whole ecosystem, the whole land is more suitable for all sorts of programs. So beekeeping, the byproduct, of course, is honey and the other products which are able to sell. But for the overall economy, the overall biodiversity, the overall food security, we need to rediscover or increase the amount of hives we have within our societies that we are able to keep our environment for this generation and generations to come.